Welcome. Today, we're diving into an essential update on how to supercharge your Pinterest security. We're going to walk through enabling two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on Pinterest, ensuring your account remains safe from unauthorized access. This updated guide will cover each step. So let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Once you're in, look for the saved icon at the bottom of the screen, then tap your profile icon. This will take you to your profile page. Next, find the three dots at the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on these dots to open a menu, and then select Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll see various options. Scroll down until you find Security and Logins, and tap on it. This section is your gateway to enhancing your account's defenses. Here, you'll find the two-factor authentication option. Now, to activate two-factor authentication, toggle the button. Pinterest will prompt you to confirm your email address to proceed. After confirming, you'll be able to toggle the button to enable two-factor authentication. Next, you'll be asked to enter your email address, then tap Next. After that, enter your Pinterest password and tap Next again. The next step involves your phone number. Pinterest will automatically detect your country code. Simply enter your phone number and tap Next. A verification code will be sent to your phone. Enter the code you receive and tap Verify. Once you've entered the verification code, Pinterest will provide you with a backup code. This code is crucial. Write it down and keep it in a secure place. This backup code can be used to restore your account if you ever lose access to your primary authentication method. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully enabled two-factor authentication on your Pinterest account. This added layer of security will protect your account, giving you peace of mind as you pin and share your favorite content. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.